Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zafar Iqbal, Urdu Academy, second paper of General Knowledge from question number 1 to 35. First MCQ is, on which river Kabul river falls? Option A, Indus. In Indus river, Kabul river falls. Indus दरिया सिंध को कहते हैं. Which of the following gas is used for the cooling in refrigerators? Option A, chlorofluorocarbon is the gas which is used for cooling in refrigerators. रेफ्रिजरेटर्स में ठंडक के लिए क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. ट्रेटी ऑफ हुदैबिया इज़ फॉर हाउ मैनी ईयर्स? ऑप्शन बी 10 ईयर्स. सुलह हुदैबिया का मुआहदा कितने साल के लिए था? 10 साल के लिए था. हाउ मैनी डेज 1965 वार कॉन्टिन्यूड? ऑप्शन सी 17 डेज. 1965 की जंग 17 दिन तक जारी रही थी. The Roman numeral for number 1000 is option D M. रोमन गिनती में 1000 के लिए M का लफ्ज़ लिखा जाता है. Which companion of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam recite verses of Holy Quran at the presence of Najashi? आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के किस साथी साहबी ने नजाशी के दरबार में कुरान पाक की तिलावत की थी? ऑप्शन सी हज़रत जाफ़र बिन तैयार. हज़रत उस्मान रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हा डिड नॉट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन विच वार? हज़रत उस्मान किस जंग में शरीक नहीं हुए थे? ऑप्शन ए ग़ज़वा बदर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूशन रिलीजेस रिपोर्ट फ्राम द ग्रेट लॉकडाउन टू द ग्रेट मेल्ट डाउन? ये इसको दूसरे अल्फाज में स्मार्ट लॉकडाउन भी कहा जा सकता है. इसका दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी UNCTAD. UNCTAD is the abbreviation of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Open Skies Treaty was signed in 1992. 1992. Option B. Which mirror is used in headlights of car? गाड़ी के हेडलाइट्स में कौन सा अदसा या शीशा इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? ऑप्शन ए कनकेव. The authentic book of Ahadith is Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, both A and B. Option C is correct answer. The sum of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. 180 डिग्री का जाविया होता है. एक एंगल जो है वो ट्राइंगल का 180 डिग्री का होता है. What is the SI unit of temperature? Option A Kelvin. SI unit. SI stands for Système International. It is a French word. फ्रांसीसी लफ्ज़ है ये. The most abundant metal found in the earth crust is aluminium. सबसे ज़्यादा कसरत में पाए जाने वाली धात पूरा ज़मीन पर वो एलुमिनियम है. At the time of partition of Bengal, who was the leader of Muslims in East Bengal? Option C Nawab Salimullah Khan was the leader of Muslim in East Bengal at the time of partition of Bengal. Pakistan bagged how many medals in Tokyo Olympics 2021? Option D 0. None of these, because पाकिस्तान ने कोई मेडल नहीं जीता था, इसीलिए none of these. Under the Constitution of 1973, which language was declared as the national language of Pakistan? Option A Urdu. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Option A. The crime that involves and uses of computer devices and internet is known as cybercrime. Option C. Both A and B. World Wide Web, www, is a dash which allows the user to access a vast variety of documents by hypermedia links. The correct answer is option C, information system. www is an information system which allows the user to access a vast variety of documents by hypermedia links. The highest award of film is Oscar Award. Option C. Which country held its first election in October 2021? Option B Qatar. When the object moves with the speed of light, its mass would be infinity. Option D. Scandinavian country Norway is a constitutional monarchy. Option B. HTTPS provides a dash communication over computer network. Option A secure. HTTPS provides a secure communication over computer network. HTTPS is the abbreviation of Hypertext Transfers Protocol Secure. In which year Taliban office opened in Qatar? Option A, 2013. The most prestigious literary award, the Booker Prize, started in? Option D, none of these, because the correct answer is 1967. Which is the last state to join USA? Option B, Hawaii. Ram Nath Kovind is incumbent president of none of these, because he is the president of India. Option D is correct answer. Recently declared as mosque, Hagia Sophia was built by? Option C, Romans. Jannatul Molla is the name of graveyard. In which city it is situated? Option B, Makkah. Name the first woman speaker of Pakistan National Assembly. Option B, Fahmida Mirza. First poet of Urdu language is Amir Khusro. Option D. How many seats were reserved in Assembly for Muslims in Lucknow Pact is? Option B, 1/3. The civil disobedience movement led by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1930. Option D. सिविल नाफरमानी की तहरीक गांधी की तरफ से कब चलाई गई थी? 1930 में.